Good day students. Today we are going to see comparison of fraction. Comparison means we have to identify which fraction is bigger, which fraction is smaller. That means we have to use bigger than sign, smaller than sign, or we have to use is equal to. Now here we already studied in the previous classes that if the numbers are 3 and 4, so out of these two numbers, which number is greater? 4. 4 is greater, so we'll use less than sign. If the numbers are 5 and 2, so which number is bigger? 5. So we'll use greater than sign. And if 1 and 1 is given, so we'll use is equal to sign. Now in the similar manner we have to do in the fractions. Now here the fraction is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means out of 4 equal parts, one part is shaded. And here out of 4 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. So where the number of parts shaded are more, that fraction is greater. So here 3 parts are shaded. So this fraction is greater. So we'll use less than sign. Now if the fractions are 6 by 10 or 9 by 10, these two fractions are given. Now here the denominators are same. So we have to consider the numerators. Now in the numerators, which numerator is greater? Out of both the numerators, 9. 9 is greater. So 9 by 10 will be greater. So we'll use less than sign. If the number is 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So again the denominators are same. So we'll consider the numerator. So in numerator, which numerator is greater? 2. So we'll use again less than sign. Now, if we have to arrange the fractions in ascending order, for example 2 by 8, 7 by 8, 1 by 8, 5 by 8. If these 4 fractions are given, this group of fractions are given, now ascending order, we have to arrange these fractions in ascending order. So how you will do? So we all know that ascending order means we'll move from the smaller number to the bigger number. What we'll do? We'll move from smaller number to, we'll arrange from smaller number to the bigger number. Now out of these 4 fractions, which fraction is smaller? 1 by 8. Then comes 2 by 8. Then comes 5 by 8. And then comes last 7 by 8. Now again, if we have to take one more example, for example 7 by 10 is there, 2 by 10, 4 by 10, 9 by 10. Now again you have to arrange this in ascending order. So 2 by 10 will come first. Why? Because it is the smallest among the 4. Then 4 by 10 followed by 7 by 10 and at the last 9 by 10, which is the greatest among the 4 fractions. So this is the arrangement for ascending order. Now how to arrange in descending order? If the question is 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 1 by 5 and 5 by 5. If this group we have to arrange in descending order. How to do? We all know ascending order means from smallest to the biggest. So descending order will be biggest to smallest. So among these 4, which one is the biggest? 5 by 5 is the biggest. sign will be changed. Why? Because 5 by 5 is greater than all the other fractions. 4 by 5 followed by 3 by 5 followed by 1 by 5. Now if we'll take another example, 2 by 8, 6 by 8, 1 by 8, 7 by 8. So if we have to arrange them in descending order, the biggest fraction will come first, 7 by 8, followed by 6 by 8, then comes 2 by 8 and followed by 1 by 8. Don't forget to give a sign in the middle. Hope you all understood the video. Thank you.